Because you know about a video, because just kabaro, my two man can share button. Because now this video you had very brief. The video had just very brief. I'm just made the video gaba eventually. So we get them not to na full video na gayalena. Jpac me video against me. Na gidi na ese. Na mo amari he na ese no. But after we make that video, I'm going to make the video. So I'm going to tell for comment. Madonna say that Igbo channel and Kaima go people. They kept on getting saying what they don't know. The reason just can make a live video. As in can make a live video. Kagini me ko onyo obuna mweko ohere no from my own side of it all. Because it's now from your video, because I still have the video. From your video, it's again that you made me. On social media or Jpac make behind. You made everybody. My reply accordingly. Small, gentle.
Follow my page, you now. No, I just like the video. There was a time the boy commented. Now some Jpac. First, you know, or comment here the good. Just to total comments here. Post to it or the rest of my inbox. Now how we go tell you the idiots because in a Gazayo, let's get a woman as Zion. Zion and Kai do Yak also. You know go church with your sense. You know go church with your sense. In a Gazayon, Zion will go. You know, go worship God with your senses, idiot. Now, Mumu, there are my inbox, young the big out of my benevolence, out of both your mom. We say, okay, let's know how to do it. Where will take my time? We say, I wanted to have more than 5 pages. We said, I have to create a new page. Now, every idiot that whoever said I have a page. Create na after page Igbo channels. If I want a page I near my wife because I have a page more as Jpac Igbo something. Jpac Igbo Connect, yes. Jpac Igbo Connect. Or if that my page, wife page, I want 11,000 followers before I name my wife. Or as Jpac Igbo Connect. So try I can change the name to Igbo channels. TV. Because now, over the duration they got now, or may changes. When one is idiot, I want to give you a name. Go and use that name, you will progress. I'm going to go and use Igbo Channel TV. I want you to be posting more of Igbo content. I want you to be posting more. Now, I'm an idiot too. If you're my friend, I need to follow that guy, but I'm back to that guy. Follow immediately. He's an idiot, ungrateful being. I want to give you this name. Biaki use your Alpha Igbo Channel TV. No, I want you to be posting more of Igbo content. The answer of the ancient culture Igbo. A why video, why interview post to a trans baby. This guy will come to human being. Whoever page here, Mbewu, zombie, maybe the page. Where all over the issue one. There were about 2 or 3 people. Where's because tag this guy, follow this guy, made a live video. 1 night I'll get him 1 kobo. But actually, when replacement, actually,
okay. Jpac first of all, I imana asi na ejugo na asi jugo ono like this. Ina akọ gbidi. Asi jugo ono. Ina akọ ihe na maro. Isi na Nick na comment ihe dị mma na your page. Iwe fear we like here because na thank God so kind. God so kind mana mmadụ na eme ihe n'ụwa ịma mma ka Chukwu si azọ gị. God so kind. I'm ebe feel no na ala page na apụ unu na social media no. Yeah, but my face page. Yeah, my face page. Mgbe na eme ihe page. Ihe a bụ my first page na Okafo TV. Ihe a bụ my first page. Dị ihe anụnwa. This page nọ gịnị 50,000 followers before. Ka this page this page can exist today. O can ya. But na gịnị me I stopped posting about it because when they use the page anụnwa. Now this page was created. This page was created 2020. Oh, camera. This page was created 2020. 2020 ka this page can create this page. Mbaho nwere ihe dịka amarụ ihe dịka Facebook monetization o monetization anaghị monetization. I've been posting there all about gịnị entertainment. So when we this page, we comment here one day na his page, na his post, or where fear we got through the thing, where for my picture. I think that should be the picture the name ever no. Yeah, no one last year. Or where for the picture, where some now you call Jim Ike. Nah one Jim Ike. That was what he was calling me then. Mboje check your phone at the page. When say na here, ije copy post to me na your comment, upload where na your post. And again me that why didn't you tag me? Now the post that we rise by lifting others. That was when he now tagged this account. You gotta go. He now tagged this Okafo TV and to that place. This page now can exist till tomorrow. Okay, the dear. Last year, that was when he discovered that this account today. We see okay, everybody like that. Now more. Before save that in a create to go Igbo channels TV or dele all my friend no Abuja try create elemia. Here no one as again no actually change afa. Na the thing ekwera no onwere onye actually change afa na Facebook the afa ya ha work. It's a big blatant lie. You need change afa na Facebook also kwa gi change afa 100 times. Okay, you need change afa for that work man afa kulele bitas unu. Afa kulele bitas unu that page you need change again multiple times. Your Jpac chief of staff, you change in after multiple times. Then why can't you change your own to Igbo Channels TV? When create Igbo Channels TV, then I'm maybe 200 followers. Then name. Only one afternoon. But live video this Jpac. But I'm live video yeah. Because thank God, God's so kind. I never knew that a day like this will come. Because I brought a type here, but I'm a mother, and then exchange of words. Because your anger is that now. So most of the things in our talk me and telling them more there me aburo money dragon, aburo money saga. Aburo money abanya na mother mechi here opota obawe na news. Mbunu block olum. Oh no ajena mgbe governor ku block him. He was the person that could be before among herself one idea not block himself. What did I do? Nothing. Onwere ihe mme. Because you feel that you control this guy no here. We dance about to your tune. I don't dance to your tune. Imagine how boni chori me with your life. I keep telling you nke beziokwu segen na ina eme all these things. When chigi one na video segen ndị mmadụ na amụga amụ na onye ya enyele ga aka anwụọla. So is it not a high time irrespect to onwe gị ba n'ụlọ. So ka bia sky forward that mgbe that eme. Mgbe nje on live video ya. Thank God, I wish na that live video kade. I just wish na that live video kade mgbe ahụ. Because na onye na-eme ihe ikaba ahụ mala onye gị na-emekọ ihe. Na the video eba.
I love this name. Chineke.
Na eba.
Igbo channels. Hey.
Na the video eba.
This page didn't me follow.
This was my logo before.
Because I want to have a page here. Because follow the Igbo channel. Abana mo onye but that name.
Gekwa nti o. Ayo kwa me yakwa mo about live video away from my comment.
Follow that guy. When you have a page here, as long as no Igbo channel, you go follow that guy. Because follow the Igbo channel.
Nekuya o, I did not beg this guy.
But immediately you follow that. Onye achere echiche, we mepe page here.
Thank you. Osi na onye achere echiche we mepe page here. Owo kita anu oburu ozikwa giwa. Nyele m di afa. Obu ozigiwa nyele m di afa. Kita obugo na onye this guy chere echiche we mepe page anu. Young man, why are you like this? Anolu mo onwe m kita ijekponite m ebe nnọla anu. I have been on my own. Ijekponite m. ama onwe m eje kponite m enwe m page 50,000 ka that page no go to can job Obama TV Obama Production TV enwe mgbe m gwara that guy say na this page now mgbe the guy monetize my account because I'm still coming to that why say na this page o nwere onye mere admin na this page because I'm on here monetization mgbe one of my friend no Dubai mkpo the girl say okay na made the girl admin na the page say today I'm hear that game na that page I can no longer use it. I can no longer do anything at that page. That page just they like that. Enjoy you make comment and say because anytime you wanted to time out of your busy schedule, try and kemali here melem na this page because I'm not near the thing. Obama TV is still alive. He's a living witness to that conversation. Ma pota uno what she start mother negotiate on social media like this. I cannot do it. Man, this thing get this young man. I'm trying to let you people know that he started mentioning it on live video this morning. Keep put up no just because na he felt na gina mad if I feel any like it on mad because no I still regard you as my brother. I still see, but that mentality of actually control on bonna one or two na social media I share their posts man can baby one thing melily I follow out to that person he actually melily here. Oh was no live video just live video mad just no all day on a low key. Dizzy Empire nearly cried. She said that she regretted ever doing anything business with you. Dizzy Empire also talk back that very day. He break it up with your mother. He made anything with your mother. Can't you let go? In no long way meet you oku. In no long way meet you oku. I mean somebody not like you, do not like everyone and put brother na brother na make here would cheer that place. I love being a bar who don't have it. The video.
Just like CNN, BBC, which is Igbo channels TV. What we got new the mad I have a page here. I have Kuzeri for game. Kuzeri who's when he promotes Igbo tradition and culture. That's Igbo Channels TV. Follow the guy. And I like on his profile picture. Igbo. That Igbo Channels. It's just Channels television. You know that? Igbo Channels. I batanya bakuzire if opposite megase. Yota mob no de me bagasia okoro ga eso onyere nya nwaka omekuo ndi Igbo da kusukwora anyị vai na maro
forget ihe akita men go suka na bia record ta video anu mgba we welia post yele back na my page we can so that can the mmadụ makwa na okay if somebody like Jpac when over 100,000 can recognize the page can the mmadụ make the page follow. That was why that's why I recorded this video. This thing happened on this thing in May. Check and check it. Thank God on a Samsung had this. This thing may be November last year, November or so. On my face here, when me pay down my face page, me you. I could not yeah, when me pay my first page because this main page and me pay this one October 10. Can me pay this particular page in can no aketa no here no na e me pay boom car before ni Jpac na ekwu makia the thing mechi I block what the page after this thing because he check my logo then is different from my logo na use now owelia we put as say no that he made me na mbu idiot na melanka na mbia na eju ụka we fuzi ndi oga we mezia another thing can I continue.
That idiot academy pasari Igbo channel again. No, but they say we will see that we get this idiot. But they make off now, they more not that full page, about 5,000. From there, root 10,000. Or not the monetization. Now, the government post more than 10 times. I posted him on counter, but I made the guy engage in a live video. He may engage, but I people follow where Mbwaka Mweziyoku or not or better.
Mgbenka ma eziokwu o si no mgbenka na emezu mgbenka na dance to your tune mgben na like ka m na achọ ka udo chia I don't like all these things we name on social media. I started kicking against it mgbe. I started kicking against him mgbe. Nyana Father Mbaka had video clash with Father Mbaka. And say this is not the way this man has been there for many years. You cannot just come and wake up overnight. There can no this man ogo. You cannot. Or that is when this thing be doing Gabi. I will not join him to fight Father Mbaka. I will not fight him. Unu mecha video mgbe mpụta kwa nsị no nke anụ a na-eme that drag na against Father Mbaka na-asị ya biko unu emezina ihe a udochi ya nobody should drive Father Mbaka. I refuse to join any live video a na-eme mgbe ahụ. The live video and join mgbe oge echi onwe one video eme one certain time ma mgbe ọ nọ na live video ọ mee ihe giveaway o jikpọ ọsọ mgbe ọ dịka akụza nke ọkpọ that Sunday morning. You send 100,000. Governor could you say, okay, send the 100,000. I send Diego. I say, why not you Diego may give away? And more happen the live video. Gabalo when church. Then one day, I join a live video with Ogechi okay, and Ogechi okay. Osena, no one I know you go na Lagos Island. Don't worry about Polafa. And then on the live video that do always see Jpac no or this guy was say yes, nan na Lagos Island. You see the woman okay now. This place on our chokwi ga na the place is Jugo. From the way in Siwefia, the place is Jugo. And there be million na do well. I show me what the location alpha. And there be million na doba well. The child we make gini. E we make case nka. Ikuluzo ya. Other thing meze no buzikwa nke meze ihe gaba. The governor who post him 20 times is never your problem. Governor who post him 1 million times. Obasaroge. Yotala. Who post him 1 million times. Anyway, I think this video but should be brief because I will limit natural gafe no kwa. I will limit natural gafe no kwa no. But I'm talking based on this video no one. If you are men on Twitter, Alabama. Now he be commenting on my post. Listen, now because I no agree give you camera, I'm still coming to that one. Thank God you did not meet me idle. You did not thank God listen. You did not in home camera work. That you did not meet me idle. The followers in the Desi Empire on the nap from A to Z. The woman was that in element that she has started removing all of them. And on that play that day, I'm just now watching. Kidonia make here with you, upcoming make here with you that did not end up regretting it in one way or the other. On one row, everybody need giddy, we should always you all the time. After yesterday, my video, she knows to chago bacha. Me, he teach us some point. The video card there, he teach us some point. Why oboni boy na no madi be advice. Oboni bo mad on the na only be advice. You man na there's some things you can say the name now. There are some things you can say the name now. You can see no to know. You no longer back no. Check I forward. I go ahead.
Maybe I don't want anybody to control me again. Yes, I'm a man. Don't tell any man name and I have a guys in a meoka. If I got at least if I don't sleep a year or 2 years. So yeah, very boss, never King Kong.
Yeah, because I don't know Akwa. He's not talking. Because I don't know Akwa Makanka.
Truth and honest. So I wonder why I would deviate all of a sudden. Doesn't matter that I deviate. If you do bad thing, I will tell you say you do bad thing. If you do bad,
the Akwa the same man in a jail as I see Chologi here. Because now your page you close, every day defend Oka. That page you not close, every day defend Oka. That page you close, all the come post video you post to of somebody where him when a Facebook or be post to a Facebook, the page tally call once. All that in key post to. If I go back no be defend Oka the post to maybe na page good you maybe that page maybe because now only he post told you better red. Ya akuza nke ọ na-agwa okwu nka ị na-asị na ịtọli atọ bụkwa the same person ị na-abụkwa that guy with your business with him That's never my the don't just can he tell this point. Anyway, some things because na mother na-achọ gị udo ka udo na-achọ ebe ị nọ. We always come out publicly gwa gị na ihe mere adịrọ mma. Mgbe na-ala akwa ọkụkọ moto, gọvanọ eziokwu batara dị sị na ọgwakwa gị should not take that car because na that car ebutele unu na-ebutele gị mkpali and esemokwu, and that is exactly what happened. You don't listen to people, you don't pay attention. Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ, ihe ọbụla ihe eme that will benefit you. Ibego bịa tụọ asị na ọgụ anya m Igbo channel m na-ewe go tupu mmata dị gị sef. I joined me because I wanted to connect to people personally. You are the different. The different agwa me this thing the last time I told you that the reason Jpac Facebook with this name I will be able to reach to people directly, personally, because of a reason known to me, and that's the reason I won't come out here and say everything. Sure and truth. Pure and truth. For real. Be at peace with everybody. Bible says, be at peace with all men. Or should I go with some people? So that for tomorrow, I always say this, for tomorrow, if all go out with Onya, or you have with your cake, in a recruit you or conquer, can you no cake sebeku? Because again, no cake had run amma. I forge go ahead because here I will say it in Kuchaya, and that should be the end. Any day I will not reply you again, but you will be the first to disgrace yourself on this blue app. You'll be the first to disgrace yourself. I can no come catch your important. Ask for Keman K, Maron cause. Kemanka, Maron cause. You only show about yourself. Yamaro Maconyo also. If you learn Ecuador from Maconyo also see where again, Sibe Ecuador. Yamaconyo also see where Ecuador. Balo again one all long way. If you learn again and mad at you do in all long way. I'm entitled to comment in any way I want to comment on social media. I'm entitled to share my view. I'm entitled to share my opinion because some go yourself on your own now. This well. I'm banking.
I said, I would say do nothing without minding your religion. No, Murakam, do a model. Madame, don't do a order. Murakam, Bowen meeting. Was it that Jpac? This is not what they know you for. I'm Jpac, Tate, Master Jpac, media, Tate, water, I believe. Now, I pull out. I want to be on my side. I don't know so that. But I'm going to go and feed in your job. But somebody made a comment, you watch every video and now blog. Because they don't see it as we are doing good thing to them. When you are blogging their video, you are making them more popular. And when you stop blogging their video, people stop talking about them. Now, I could say blog. Now, this guy, I'm going to pass the process and there's no now on war. Monetization, monetize the other accounts. We will connect to somebody that will monetize the accounts. I'm going to monetize the accounts. But then, being on that Jpac, you are getting 100,000 views.
Now, if you are actually connect him to when you monetize the account, you a blatant lie. It will go no again as no why, but it will go again as a for no why, but the only thing that will save you in this life of Nagineme, Nipota now go again beginning is you can wa. You can lie to everybody, but you cannot lie to yourself. You ain't really make video because you lied against me. Ebe na jetelaka. Open I'm born naturally not on social media. I will just one day delete my social media, but I want to stay here for long so that this slide does not linger anymore. Obama TV, he melbourne in your number somebody and I watch Chiboy. Chiboy na that group, everybody who created VPN, none of the group. Everybody who created VPN, none of the group. And many people none of that group. Mother group everybody that girl lady okuko my everybody I'm not chief for them for that girl. But in a lot of people on that group, the guy create a VPN or the guy meant you just a second phone before phone can before. You see okay na MCA1 anaghị achọrọ monetize small page ka na-etonite na the page you need ilu go like 20,000 wee gbagowe 15,000 25,000 wee gbagowe nsi go okay. Then olwe one day Obama TV no Canada wee update ya na monetize the account we see okay na ke kunu si eme ya. The guy reached out to me, we communicated. Nsi okay na body like that na the page mali hi AGM. The guy will the page. I don't know the guy. I fought to me before. I'm not going to did. I'm not to logo call to Lompompo. Or maybe the page. I want mom can miss with TH. Despite the fact I'm not maybe go page him no 50,000 before. Somebody know Dubai. So I still trusted this guy so he can well he no one. JJ Megan. JJ money here made this page. This guy take care of this page. Goody. After 1 month, after the 3 weeks to 1 month, or send the message na WhatsApp now monetize the account and see okay fine. Or same na him me kwano ka so that the page we kwano na aga am try am with second phone so that we have VPN na mba Nigeria dey be eligible for monetization. We have VPN na so we go to the phone we reach out to Jpac say okay when the guy name me VPN na no. Because Obama was telling me some nego neja. Here the boy you made that VPN was 150,000 naira. I paid the money myself. Or Facebook and the where put the money. Why are you always centered on Facebook? Sege followers sege nkano wa sege. Abia no gum na Facebook kano like the potassium dem to balo me ego. The boy made the VPN, the chain work with the second phone. Then you yourself, you reached out to me. No, your friend choke money because you know this cash no so go you yourself, you reached out to me. No, when your friend choke monetize the account. The guy you chat him up and say, okay, no number, I have to first of all drive the guy saying because I'm somebody I like name with your mother. I will not abuse the privilege that you give me. I will not abuse that privilege that you gave me. I reached out to Obama saying na young one could be MLM life. Say nekwa no when somebody cholo ke monetize their account. Nekwa neka the guide. No come no or is this somebody you can relate with or not? The guy say no wahala. Nye the guy number. Kahasi weje till today I don't know. Yotago. Kahasi weje till today I don't know. Aburu money apota na bia bu na game coin bia chowa commission the be mebe nka mebe a lot of people know na this blue app and ejigo account pool we go my dollar account onwe be onye mpotasi na bia nye commission man all of you know na social media na cho ndị 20% ndị 10% ndị 30 ndị I told this guy say obu ihe meme nwuru ona no bu ihe meme nwuru mmadu free without looking for anything. I will do that for you free. Akwa with all be your child with no strings attached, no commitment, nothing. Uma happen to say na makihan you are indebted to me. You are always living a life for your abopata. You always like to call again and nande mother the indebted to you all the time. Who does that? Are you indebted to Ijele? Has Ijele for one day made you feel that you are indebted to him? I know na Lagos State. So once Kifunu go mania once. And that's because of one circumstance that made you for mania that very day. Which you were never expecting to see me. So once Kifu go mania, so just for one. I say, bring out your chat with me and you go and bring it out to go see your more. I will not be the one to show it. Bring it out. Every Helena de Wagananya. We have open check and open blank check and bring the chat out. You can't shame the shameless. You cannot. Even when you be the warfare and back war, I was kicking against this thing from beginning, from the onset. War. Don't do this thing with me. I will say no. I will say no. I will not do that. Obere ihe nchọ ga-ejiri mara m dị ha. Iwere the post nye onye ọzọ nya mee n'ụlọ onwe m. I still maintain ka mụ na gị na-abụ na-agakwa n'udo na ọṅụ. Maintain kwu ya ka onye ọbụla n'ogene n'ọla maka echi afọ echi ka eke social media will come and go, mana life will always remain. Relationship you build outside it will always remain. Mana ị na-like ịpụ like this, ịsachi onye ịsachi onwere onye isi onye ma isi ya echi eze echi, so say it after iti onye. Enwere onye ma isi ya abụ eze echi. Nobody knows. Let's forge ahead. Gent 100,000 view, 150 view, 100,000 view nwetable video ijele. Onwe mgbe ahụ ijele si na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya nwụ na prison. That was the video. I caught that video or with my knowledge as a video editor. Even you never knew that video got viral. My first video went over 200,000 views on social media. But the video, in case you about CCTV camera or set you capture one man, aka kidnapping, I will never forget that video. You yourself, you went there, promote you mad. You went there and copied that video, remove a part of Kuloku, choy a block on my logo because each choy post the video because the mother been so here. Despite the fact you feel again if you bad number, you might have been so that video. He cleaned my logo, reposted it back. Did I in a way kick against it to know? Because social media is all about everything and konya, or everybody anaga. Everybody anaga. Every time again I war, Madam Hansweek everywhere. I'm here to feed the goat, to feed the sheep, not to entertain the goats. I'm not here to entertain them. I have my policy. You can't control me. You can't do anything. No, give and make this guy. You never made me my brother. Mother make him na that page. If you go your followers, make unfollow. Let them unfollow. Let them unfollow. Open a follow up with your life. If you can come out on social media, be asking a drag and drag you give her followers, and that means you are lacking something. You lack something. That's exactly what you lack. And that was something I'm trying to impact in your life because you know how much you know how much. Oh, you see, it's as in two heads are better than one. Oh, you know from one, you know from one. Somebody can give you advice, can give you a suggestion, can tell you this is what to do. This is not happen kajidenka. Man, in all of these things, you choro udo cha. In a post, nobody beg you to go and start posting Zion. Zion has been doing well to people. Oh, actually, JJ buy nisi Kijabolo Zion spokesman on social media as what? As what in Kijibolo Ginekwan? All those things name Onyobuna Megan Zo onwea. Before a video page, I want to video page. Man, my first page, which I showed you here, created 2020 with 50,000 followers. Mayor abandoned just one kitten. In a monetization. This lady kita, this girl kita. Nabia. But in a this lady kita Amarachi non a video flavor na fino shoot to Lumbosia with Teresa Honora. This lady Neyeba. This lady was the lady that gave me another number. Neyeba all the girl did here. The lady gave me another number. Marachi na unu nine mo na azadi Igbo nine na Facebook. The lady gave me a number of somebody may reach because this is a lady Nigeria nkia. Nigeria nkia onwe ihe mu na na abu ya akpa onwe ocho kan luolia onye obu na agabala onwe ya. She's here making ways for herself. That's somebody you can easily bluntly say no ma. The girl gave me another number. See, I'm bana. Yemena get happens ya. No go number Jpac reaching. And the number the girl lady nyam. The guy charged me less than only Jpac nyam. So keben buguzo ba Jpac oku. Let me go from Jpac. Koda bonaka I say na mother touch afu meligi here. You may even see okay no wahala. That's exactly what happened. The lady here. Open him around mad like this. He make one gudi in a co. Well, I say, Sajuche everywhere. Oh, he be a beneme. Well, that with the one I will not take Bungoina and collide with your ex. If you also SMS, if you like, be working with my ex with you to bring me down when I no fit, I suggest you and Uju should go and take BP drugs. As what to can. Or go break you up with this lady. You are the one being obsessed with her. Okay, each other me here. Each other again and happen. Or when you must again a comment on him, you are the one that dragged her out the other day. You made video saying that I didn't even know this lady from the beginning. Or go up the lady. See Anna Kusena about the person address on you. While you are the one on the ZOZ. So go we collide there with you. It's Nandoka again Nandoka collide. A grown-up man. You can say anything each on social media. Man, you can't just come and drag me into the mess in Aganimia. You can't drag me to it. That's the truth. You cannot drag me into that mess. Because you know button a video because Kabaro na metum like and share button. Like, love, and those now react to the video. Before ndo ku nsu anwa. Before ndo ku nsu anwa chobe haya choka ka ha mebi video anwa. Because I know mo tutu ibido kpoba mafa. No maintain me mo. Simply because now I refuse to dance to your tune. I can't dance to it. I would like to this thing I will say against it which everybody with their own opinion, which I am entitled to it. I will own up to it tomorrow. Not na hypothesizing na onya adiligi ndo kajuka we lafu ego onya aju we lafu ego. So which means on mother could give happy your ex. If that should be the case, on mother say get happier. Two things be here in the center here: money and followers. Money, followers, money, followers. Somebody go and say, don't be too poor in this life. Because whatever money can buy, relationship can pay for it. If you can buy a check, beg a check, or that need no go hanchani on your own, no go, that means you are poor. Bible says, and the gift of man make it way for him, and the gift of and again and make it way for him. The gift of God make it one rich and add no sorrow. Why do you na again na pack kasi here na kwesiro ke na pack na again you drag things na kwesiro ke na drag into your life along with you. You na drag it along with you. Listen him kuna video no bahase bring out your chat to me and you. I will not be the one to expose you like this. And with integrity, I know what I'm doing. I will not be the one to come and bring out your childishness. See, open again and mad and you fall out with that person. Go your way. Stop forwarding voice notes to everybody need info. Go your way. Ase ke kubi aka ekube nke eziokwu ogwaje wolu voice note governor eziokwu send again. You just wole forward ali ke the voice note na social media. Ogwali killer on social media, governors who started having problem with people. But that's never my problem. We couldn't settle one, I'm more couldn't settle. I'm more humanity no basalum. But do all go about the person leak that voice note on social media. Only for your friend. I have integrity. I know how to protect people's image. I can boldly beat my hand on my chest today. So as long as this, in as much as this Facebook is too wide, and when Bohoronya put us talk about this person, or you could share about a video with your own opinion, mother, maybe Akwa will go for it. Never. Never. May you never be heard from me. May you never be heard from me. Or mother put us again, betrayer, and can, after I forget a big conca, tomorrow you call so. You can't eba, tomorrow you call Zebra, one nature you call Zebra, okay, choco. Every of your action as a man, you have to imagine, own up to it. Say, no, yes, this is your action. Remain secret between me and that person. Let the God that sees in secret be the one to reward and be the one to judge. But what I will not take is for you, but I can still defend myself at the mondo. I will defend you to a limit. Only have a limit. I will not go deep. Manichi Rizaki go on wagon a potopoto. If you Rizaki go on wagon a potopoto, you drag him, you will be the one to lose. You will be the one to lose. Ebe no Facebook growth, but you'll be trying to achieve. If you see now on 50,000, 100 million, 200 million, no people with millions of views are not even making noise. These are the people who are not in their other careers when at their table. These are the people who are at their table. Even I drag more not at 10,000 page me pay last year October. Last year October can me pay the page. If I drag him, if you have problem with your ex, go and settle. It's never a crime on your ex, but on my page, maybe I comment here. If you're going to try to make anything with you, then why can't you go your way?
Continue fighting Jpac. And as Igbo channel, even if I'm not here to that name. Yeah, guy, but I'm going more China.
In a no go and the name. It to go on again answer. You're a big blatant liar, no why, but I wait for this one shows that you are a liar. I bought money up to be boogie here. On a kiss when we promote to a man near my hair. Again, and you give videos where Billy post to I don't know, but I biko. Which I commended you singing na thank God your work because nobody knows that the man has a short life to live. Now look at the man mention also. You go for that part. Why not better drag you again? Saying can I break it up with your wife? I stood there. Send them mad. Say hapogaka. You have made your choice. Bible says many daughters have done well. One Bible says not the wrong man. Bible says many daughters have done well. But now this one has exceeded them all. That is my focus topic that very day. Every woman is good. Every woman is good. The Bible is in the midst of 10 virgins. In the midst of 10 virgins, and when they the foolish among them. Those virgins are asking, and they know about virgins. About virgins. Now this one's the foolish. Many daughters have done well. Every feel you go need to take and be your own choice. My brother, go away with it. Wrong with it. Gaba. Anom conversation delayed. Open no onye chole bagi wo. Open no onye chole doggy vam. Oh yeah, doggy vam. But she respected herself no long way. If I go mention Afia, Madam Afia said, oh, go mention no ya. If you can be bought with money, if you can be bought with money and paid to do something, that is why you before you banana naked dance to another different tune that you are not dancing. If you don't know now about the same person just the way you see a mega. Nambe da gaba Zion, iji we men ka na nye.
Maybe to pour out my mind. I don't need I
If you pour out your mind.
Please, I beg you. I'm not going to insult you. When any church they are both to call them. Don't say I'm calling Zion. When any church they are both to call them. Not a doctor like that. Here my page. More comment for you now. Come block it. We put that cause. I know my friends and my friends know me. I know where they belong. You understand? Let me be. I'm going to unfollow him. Stop posting him. Because anybody I'm checking up with them, guy, I know I'm happy. You are straight away.
Anybody Jpac give up, he let me go again. I better go away, but Mr. Governor could stop posting me. I am my own. Has any of you put out one day saying, hey, let's take this guy out? Now, this guy been benefiting our guy. Ebi na feel na for meet ndo obodo na chọ ikwado mmadụ or Facebook ka eji akwado yin as ina asị na ikpọpụtala mmadụ. Ọgụ akpọpụta me onye mbụ before. Asị ka ekwubi ihe melu mmadụ, I did the highest for you. I did the highest for you for standing against people na achọ idogbu gị. Ọtaka mbido were ise gọbalụ gị mbọ. Mana onye na-achọ defend is not ready to learn. When you actually defend, he's not even ready to change. He's not ready to learn anything. If you when your friend, you need to go your friend is Zuku. If you feel that your friend is doing is going another way, you want your friend to without anybody, you know, this party na agabudi. Adiokwa mma. That is why we are friends. That is why we are friends. You know, I like you analyze the video mad. Man, you know how I like a mad man can analyze. Ever since we started fighting church, I hope for every time. I hope for good. I want to attack again. Anybody for na nice church. Man, you end up get one of that church. Is saying anybody no church is big to him. You get one of that church. You just buy akuko. Na na to lili. Na jelly father confession. The same church in Akwa church, no church is above this thing. Because the same church, their social media spokesperson. If something does not work out, actually we are touching that thing. You want to get your opinion, it's your opinion page. All page get your opinion, not to me. Page get your opinion, not to me. How could you post to my mom? Which means you are going mother, Cordanians and Alam Madaka. That means now you are doing that in you and that person are doing that in Kobukwana, Kobukwana tomorrow, the person they indebted to you people. Kobukwana, the person they indebted to you people. That's the way, that's your reason of doing good. When you want to do good to somebody that cannot even pay you back. Onya chechi honyi chechi honya hiye nyege. Chechi honya hiye nyege. Imana honya hiye mege. Somebody go amoko say na the rich gives to the rich to be rich, and the poor gives to the rich to be blessed. That's what big man he have done go to meet that fellow big man. It's an old big man check 2 million, 5 million. Onya big man he be analia. You give to the rich to be rich, and you give to the poor to be blessed. Because the poor cannot give you anything. The poor doesn't have anything to give you. I'm not poor, but I'm giving you an example. I'm giving you a very big example. Yeah, marry him, malo. If Governor Izuku is your friend, like you truly say, and you told him to stop posting me, and he went ahead and stopped, which means now your way of people way of doing good upon okay obuna onya anuma kana kai kwadoke na onya kai ma na ye nwe somebody ya na you position men in strategic places emecha say na Nigeria adiro mma tomorrow say na Nigeria adiro mma I position go people in the strategic places ya bu tomorrow o make osi weta oyikpo onya say ngwa fight el onya kpopta then you relax ya you say na nwende na no logo. I have never done something for anybody looking for anything in return because I'm not here. I don't know what you will give me. But God sees my heart. I'm saying, I know that's a reward for everything. Everything must not end on Facebook. everything must not really begin and end on Facebook. Every time Facebook say Facebook asịrọ gị, followers say gị, followers asịrọ gị. Ọgọ mmadụ me na mụta nwa in case of tomorrow. I keep saying in my video, say Facebook will come and go. Man, ihe metele mmadụ na Facebook here can stay for generations to come. For generations to come. Oh, it will stay forever. The person has been registered in the tablets of their heart. Big man dekage, big man dekage, well matured, respected man dekage. You stood so low, you never drag him. You stood so low, no, give that drag him over nothing. Over what I see as nothing. I will still greet you. I will still greet you. You better drag him. I better go near drag again on social media. Saying Jpac. Man, in Apota will come like a mad without not meeting that person, without not knowing anything about that person. It kochachonya. Kochachonya. He name in your midst today. Can now for say come and sit as a come for you no mel fadam baka. If for you no mel fadam baka, I see it as a come. I see it as a come for you no mel fadam baka. When they cook and ask you no happen no work. People should leave this man alone. When I'm church and just go banket to waka no what on your ma can call you swedel. And for this thing, you'll be the one to. If you hear na video, you'll be the one to get into Uber hand channel by yourself. By yourself and yourself alone.
It is Oka. Or it can come Koga. And I come out. I don't know the room. I got a job profession.
If was it?
I'm not going to hack more Hakam. He may cut him and walk out from church. In a Hakam.
Walk out from church. Church, I'm an apple.
Walk
on out. No one is
you defeat me. Then I broke my bill. Because the camera walk, I went in the club, club, Calabar, na sheep, na boats. I bomb Western, I can remember my camera, my video. What I have hotel, or with a problem, with a family problem, the time why I said no 1.2 million. I'm my boy. I don't even know that he didn't make the camera work. You don't even do it to work. He didn't make the work. No sublection. No what somebody. So the price is so more 27,000. Somebody price I didn't 600,000. He didn't 1.2 million. He will how many are going to go to Lagos? I'm going to price is too much, and the club people no say they say they're not going to pay the money. The next knows since that day. Tawuru kamba tawuru kehi ozara. Tawuru kehi ozara. So about ekutaro kuje ba gina my ass ana uju. Nene gina uju. Nene ya you know go 110 on the story. Don't worry, my podcast is coming out very soon with Yambaba. You know go 110 on the truth. Up on a platform na Jpac.
Now, you hear me working in your podcast. Just cover about your ex and your podcast. Podcast is a place where we put a here that will be the beneficial. But no turn a podcast to either na with na rubbish. If I say na me molo. If I try to show my chat conversation with you on social media. I don't want to know go a jack give put here. You me kucha hen me kuna video. You be the one to make it. Yeah, boss or jibu put that chat. Also key jibu put here. I've never done this before. This is my Instagram account. Oh, yeah, my Instagram account there. na alụkwala onwe m ọlụ nekwa followers m nekwa ndị na-follow. God, I wish na this thing. Don't worry, I will still find a way to attach it. This is my Instagram account. My Instagram account, you can go there and check for yourself. You can go with TikTok account. You can go there, Megan, and check for yourself. Yeah, here. I wish na the thing I did clear of me. I wish no I did clear of me. Here my Instagram account. It's na amaro diolo. Na mo amaro diolo. No ki ime no no ki ikpom. Okay, man am amaro diolo we be na akpom. Can go the am ihe me na that event that thing now. So that every people go, let me say it. Anọ m onwe m ikpọ m na m chọ ije ọlụ mụ ka m mesi wee mee ha. Ngwa gị sị gị na ndị na m na-eme video and na m na fly drone and na m na-eme editing. These are the three things ngwa gị na m na-eme. Mgbe mụ na gị kwucha esi m na ya ese foto. Nsị gị I'm not a photographer. Anara m ese foto. I'm not a photographer. Videographer dị iche na photographer. If you like, my brother, bring the chat out. Bring it out now. I just wish you put here. Free liberty. Go and bring it out. Go and bring it out. You've been funded by Atolo. I'm somebody named me Hannah Atola Senior. I have never been a liar in my life and I will never be. I'm not greedy. And I know how many envy mad. I'm envy mad. The boy make a me see Alibaba today in my life. We onion tolato. The guy made you meet Alibaba through this work on name, but somebody in tolato. Man, if one you guru, you can't run out gululia. If you are home, same name major. Watch I say, okay, this is my price tag. I want my fly good drone, you gonna manage. The melody camera, same no two camera. Single kitchen or two camera. I cannot handle two camera myself. Abram Jackie. Open on one camera. I can easily, because I cover multiple events with one camera and one drone. I can perfectly do that. Just na just solo in case of mother tired, which I always do. Okay, I will not handle two cameras. Same I need the two camera. Now that in the beginning, what do you call it's not 3 days event. Yes, it should be 3 days event. You could call 4 days. I can't really remember. With that message, I cannot do this thing. No, 2 cameras. No, na mad. Nanka have issue. Mana muna gina agree on price. Price in for video and everything is okay. We agree to it. In photo, you go at least only photo here. See, I'm not in the field of photography. It's not now yes photo, no yes over hundreds and something copies of picture. But in Tiaya, operate there no meru photo album. The guys na photo album when they know how many pages, and the one how many pages. I don't know about it. God is my witness. I don't know about it. Even I'm gonna get akali. My woman no that very day na-ekwu. One that very day could ikpo more than 2 times skip on the rest of our messages and voice note. You see, you can reach out to the guy and say the photo. You reach out to the guy and say the guy kucha and forward everything. Both the chat to the guy and I forwarded everything to you. If you at these things, it may seem that you get back to me. I never knew need be and be since I say no my can basagewo. Lamburu problem ni na talk wasage. I dare you to bring out the conversation mon again about me. I dare you to bring it out. Ebe namoro di olu. My Instagram account Bokafo TV. Oye naza na Instagram account, my Instagram. Go there and check for yourself. Ano go there na lolu tupu mbata Facebook. O na mbata Facebook e mara onyembu before you have never seen me. Obo na mbata ro Facebook ifu mnuzi ya zansa. If you answer me, sir. You rate him being a rate and kiss a rate and doors. Because it to move. If you may boy a boy, if you may be a bell or on potter, come what is a potter, what do show of my potter, ya almost, sir. ya kpọmsa. But that's by the way. Ke these things mecha ibuli anu be sem ke nata that you will talk about. Isikwa na iya agba flight ga mana ya akwụla anyị na-atọ ụgwọ mụnwa the guy mụ na-aso abịa na photographer ni ya akwụla anyị ụgwọ moto ka anyị wee gaa Uyo. The guys, the two of them self, we are complaining. Say, keka isi gaba Uyo. Awa Uyo. By road. You see, keka isi gaba Uyo by road. Now you comment all these things in our comment. Ije na Facebook, Jpac, because I want your mokwa. I want your mokwa because only obona chori ku kwelu okwu na ụlọ onwe ya. Ị na-asị here na-eme unu bụ ndị Igbo. Nne nwa mgbe bido bịa kpọba m afa without ịbịakwu nke mere eme. Ijekwaje ya na you is lying. Ijekwaje ya that he is lying. Ese na ya gbala ya moto gaa Uyo. Say ya gbala ya moto. Na ya eji flight ga. The guys we are complaining. Na ya akwụla ya ụgwọ hotel room. The guys we say okay 3 days. Mgbe ha say okay this person na mama onyo. That we should just go and do it. The guy said, okay, no wala. I ask you how many minutes video you know chop. That video, the photographer, you go kwa album, go in and print it out. You paid him for his job for 3 days. You also, mama you made the editing. I record, I made editing. I able 2 laptop where got that place now. I may go to no flash, may go to no flash drive, may record the thing. Each day of the event, I record the dossier dosa. I check it how those things. So I'm bulum amni na tokwasagi. Which na ngwa gi ki here isi we de. Ihe de n'ọlụ bụ okwu na ululu ọlụ gị ije chọọ onye ọzọ olulu. Ka ịkpọ mụ osero mụ na gị na bụ ọgwụ a feeling no na-esere mụ na gị because you are suffering from guilty conscience. Or guilty conscience bụ ihe ji gị. Yotago. Nke ahụ gacha ebebe amengulu wa bitina na mụ na your ex. Enwe ejikọ mụ na ya. Esi na gị na mmadụ achọ ọzọ ịtọ nke ahụ aga. It's never my problem with you.
And they blame working. But I won't get by the time you had in the wine where poor. I say, hey, glance at 100,000 every month. Yes, wouldn't happen to he gave a he gave a time with you. What's the day where you did the apology? Where you're an apology.
Oh, why?
I don't come back though. My name too much ago.
Yeah, you're my apology. You yourself, Jpac, yeah, you're my apology. You'll be the one to beg me for apology because no one him again. Oh, abuse Baron, it will me idiot, it will me easy, it will monka, it will me in an apple mother no one. On him meg, you'll be the one to your my apology. You need your my apology. You need your my apology. You really need to. Because when some people you cannot just hurt, and when some people you cannot hurt, never. Never. Hanonowa. And with some people you can never hurt them. You cannot say bad against them. Because there are a lot of things that go haywire in your life. If you are just saying again, we couple image of 25 years ago. We couple image of 50 years ago. We couple image of 5 months ago. You be me porno slam my you will be the one to come and apologize to me. You will tender very big apology to me. Because you cooked up lies against me. You cooked up heavy lies against me. Ogwa cook up many lies against me. No worry, ne menta emimu. Ishitam no toto chifu no toto. Ichadam tali koba. You'll be the one to go and tender me a very big apology. Very big apology. Na ota. Iebe kwa nke gị. Iebe kwa. Ihe anọgide n'ụwa na-asị onwe onye imejọ. You better be fast about it. Ihe anọkata like this. Baby, you see na onwere onye imejọ. Ihe anọ like this na you onwe gị sị onwere onye imejọ. Be at peace with everybody. Be at peace with everybody. Maka ịmara ama. You don't know about this life. You know, feeling it all everything, yes, jide the otuto, but if we experience about life, if we wisdom, ochukuna na enya. Ochukuna na emegene na enya. It's not my apology, I'm Jpac you have to come and apologize and be fast about it. And be faster. That don't allow your memory to chefu. Let it be in the tablet of your heart. It should be registered in the tablet of your heart. Apology. Just because I've never for one day betrayed you. I've never for one day put a chat I've never for one day call him with you munaganab. It's because you know give me a camera. Jpac I've been working. In Kebona Chukunya Muzulum. I'm not greedy. Thank God in I'm not alone. I'm not idle. I am not idle. The only olo man yogi segena kamana yeme. God and heaven is my witness. Bumbegina zolo bitas no na mma. Ndi say so na mmanya no na apụta na mmanya no na eme na ị na-epost maka ya. Ni na-epost maka that mmanya. Biko na ha bata Lagos, any day unu eme the rally. I'm not ready to charge money. I'm not ready. Just can be with a drone cover the event. That was Melono. That was there. I can remember. That was only all Mma in your Gisegi. Okay. I bezolo bitas na put, and that was the only thing Mma. Okay, bezolo bitas na put, which I'm reminded of that thing about. I'm not running again and the zolo bitas and we go to save. Or because of your greed, or because of greed again. There are some things I don't want to in those channel aka. That was the only man or okay biko na mmanya nwa na apụta nekwa. I'm not telling you to pay me money. I'm not telling Zolo Bitas to pay me money. I want to be the when I'm covered the thing. Because that is the only way we appreciate this drink. With my craft, with my skills. I'm not in a way telling you to come and tell the Zolo Bitas Akwa Mungo. Never. Never. I've not done it. It's an go and it's an post the chat. Post the chat. That's the only thing. Man, I'm more again and the Zolo Bitas Goku. I never knew. Patience ki say so big man. Again a big man na emeko he nwelu big man ndidi. Nwelu big man again ndidi. Ndidi should be your biggest priority ebe gina big man. Forget about he big man yemi. Big men don't forget him alone how, especially when you don't have nothing to give them. Big men they don't forget him alone how. Oba na ya chita this year, chita next year because on we here Igwe credo kuna video NGS yes no na akodi. Osi na mgbe ya na Ifeanyi Uba na alụkọ na Ifeanyi Uba ha kwuna ya na akwụ ụgwọ every month mana ụfọdụ oge Ifeanyi Uba ma nkwụ ya ọma mmenite mana ndị oye echeti ya bim ọ bata enu bim ịma na ego bata aya agbakọ aya calculate nke ni na alụgo anakwụrụ ụgwọ calculate nke aya alụ next one before akwụ that money. Mana a lot of you na-achọ ka igbo ya tata ka ọ daa tata ka iwelu your own share tata. But to patience is key to everything in an eme. Be patient. That is exactly what you are lacking. You don't want to have patience. That's the only job man lo nsege biko na gina Zolo Bitas na mmonu na-eme. Call me unu bata Lagos for the promotion because unu eme na nke Aba also. I think nke Aba unu eme na this oku bido even before ebido me nke Aba. Nsigo ke ebunu mechaga Aba no ye because I saw a post where I read because na Lagos next or something. That was why I reached out to you again, knowing fully well na into this thing. Knowing fully well ni amara m ije buli ihe ọzọ n'obi na akọ. Iya atanwukwa amusu. Iya atanwu amusu as it stands like iya atanwu amusu. Amusu oburo so mgbe ibe atete na abani ke red ke na afọ fufufu. Amusu mgbe iburu ihe na kwesịrị ka iburu n'obi. You started fighting who doesn't even know that you are fighting him. You see comment on your Facebook anywhere as a threat to your peace of mind. That is when you know that Amusu abatago giyema. Amusu does not necessarily need kibu blue powder, blue bell, getting bell mijana kukumili, a booj fool, boali get up pepper. That is not Amusu all the time. That's not Amusu. Amusu mbibu bube mmadu ihe n'obi. Bugide we the thing na atagide gi. Everything all comment is threatening your peace of mind. My brother, go and learn to be at peace with all men. Yotago.
Mingling with my ex. Probably the comment.
Why are you always attacking the comment?
Have you ever seen me comment on my ex page? I know they do that now. I have moved on. My name is Bob no Kuroku Jpac.
In Akwa, in a kuna yogina in a year ego, or what choose Leo. In a way, woman naturally in your new ego. It's your own decision, it's never my decision. Yadago, in a new ego, it's your own decision. You decide the email here. You decide the email here, call you see where the Wi-Fi yard and what to come. You decide the email here, call you see where Megan, call you see where Masege. O mmadụ na-akpọlite mmadụ zocha onye aha na school, onye aha no adi ọzọ, hafukwa n'ụzọ ekene. O mmadụ akpọlite mmadụ zọ mmadụ na school, at the end of the day they will end up marrying. O nwaanyị afọ nwoke ọ like teacher gide the woman, the guy abụla odogwu today. Nweke the guy fụzi onye ọzọ ọnụ. So all the vice versa. All waka anyị nọ. Onwere ha anya fụ gba mme. You wanna make within your ex, that's your problem. But attaching me to her is something I don't want. Yotago. I don't want it. So that's how to care back and match. At least I believe I've made my point. I have set the record straight now. I've set the record straight. Now, just free your mind. Munagade soku. Kiss me live video and keep watching my family. That's when you ever clear on them. Because you lied against me. You need to page na this Facebook Okafo TV on 50k in created 2020. But I'm on here with Facebook. I've been doing my thing. No post that please. I'm gonna make the thing. Now I can build a long way. Now I got 50k. I will rename the page Igbo Channels TV. Well, I name her name. Or now some with hundreds of followers. But no, I need to set the record straight. Igbo Channel started last year, October. Each year, the about of the page. I have never for one day renamed the page. Monetize. Connect it to monetize the account. Obama TV was my witness. I have never been greedy to anything. I don't know what the angel Apollo. My own is that once in Akwa got to will be your money so mad. Will be your mom, will be your ma, will be guardio cha. Ubigado chifuizuku ikupuli oha. Ikuizuku ikupuli oha. Ogo na mmadu na-eme ihe na-adịra adị. Ị ihe na-adịra mmadu na-eme na. That's a way isi onwe mgbe ya mfu your post mgba nkịtị imago mme anya ka ma afọ ya mme as right so that I give you multiple chance to change. Man, I cannot call you my friend. I cannot say na mụ na gị na abụdị na mma whereby I cannot talk to you mgbe imele ihe ọjọọ my brother. Mgbe imele ihe ọjọọ okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Na nghọta. That's the way life is. Onye nwanne nwoke na-agba aja egwu n'ahịa. Ihele ya na-eme nwanne ya ebe ọ nọ n'ụzọ. That's exactly what I want to correct in your life. Let's see him kucha to the year eji amori ihe. People ya record kwana share like you record and share to you. Even eziokwu isi nya follow them when na stop posting me. I did not die. I didn't even know that he stopped. I didn't even know. Or one day say na ma for anje check obo no block go. And I saw him one day when you kuma ka ojikwa we block one boy onye la aka gbidi anya na aka. Eche ile ya say the lawyer to the fullest. One day and I listened to the this thing was So all mwa ka ona agwado okwu anwa. And I typed a message and sent to him. I typed a text message because I discovered okay, now let me explain. So that because I found out you are misunderstanding my video, you are misunderstanding my post. That does not stop the fact that I have much respect for you. That does not change the fact that I still maintain and I still acknowledge the fact that yes, you have in multiple occasions posted me. You have in multiple occasions tell people to follow my page. I will never dispute that fact and I will never sweep it under the rug. Always come and say I will never deny the fact that but I picked the phone, called Borgi. But because you could that in that day, that Sunday. When the phone Borgi, multiple call, you did not pick up the call. You did not pick up the call. So okay, maybe not a live video. I was at Akwa church that very day. People go from live video. Multiple times he did not pick the call. And I sent a text message to you saying I'm sorry about it, but you need to hear my own part of it. Only me that in a mirror here because I wanted peace. I wanted peace. Man, if you find that you do not acknowledge the fact in a native manner and you don't want to acknowledge the fact that this person can actually talk to you, this person can actually do this person, which means now all you have been saying about this person and the good part he has done is fake. Izuku mmadụ na-amụta bụ nke na-ewute ihe. Mmadụ gwacha gị ya, o nwere ihe portable okwu, despite the fact na portable na-ayị ala, o nwere ihe okwu, ọ sị na ị na-agwụ ya okwu na correct ya in public or ya ha anụ. He will never agree with you. He will never agree with you in public. Man, ọ baa biye, he will think about that thing onye ahụ gwara, sị na onye ahụ gwara ya eziokwu. That is that change I would have expected from you. Multiple occasions, I will tell you my own part of the view. Okay, Marana, I meant well. I meant well. Yatago. So even as not go on my Igbo channel and can debunk those selfish lies. Just want to satisfy your selfish ego. Yataga. It's all lies. Yampia, ihe ngwa again to go again. Full evidence loaded. Is that a chat now? No wahala. Go ahead and get it. Expose them again in public. God in the Vico, what we know then and massive modo de lawyer. Okay, if I don't know, I'm not angry. I'm not sad. Because Kabokanaro may post my Instagram account. I'm going after for my Instagram account for Akwa TV. Just hit type here for my profile. I pop up here for this profile. Can then I say no how they made me in hanya molo. My Instagram account followers 2,550 and following 1,388. Be affair. Now you beneka the profile. This is what you are going to see there. So now each one for my page and can one ask now here. Near my face page. This page was created 2020. Now the same Akwa TV. We have 49,000 followers. One of 50,000. Okay, the page is ready. Now I gotta go. Sabia page. Many have been doing it for long. So I'm not going to be video because I'm going to get to ya. As I'm calling on your banana biko. I'm forum comment too. Another the comment. Another ma piasu no ndi na video. Ma piasu no. I don't worry, sha. All the best. Bye bye now.